Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for January 17th, 2023. NetEase no longer works with Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard Inc., the U.S. video game developer behind the hit Warcraft franchise, said on Tuesday that its Chinese publisher NetEase Inc. had rejected an offer to extend their long-term partnership by 6 months. In a statement of micro-blogging site Weibo, a subsidiary of U.S. company Blizzard China said it had approached NetEase last week with a proposal to extend the partnership, but the Hangzhou-based company declined. The development comes after Activision Blizzard announced in November that it was ending its 14-year partnership with NetEase, China's second-largest gaming company. The announcement came as a shock to the industry, as the partnership was considered one of the most lucrative in the video game industry. NetEase said in its November earnings briefing that it had made every effort to negotiate but found the terms offered by the U.S. company unacceptable. NetEase said that it would have to stop serving Activision Blizzard games in China, the world's largest gaming market, on January 23rd. European gas recovers thanks to renewed demand. European natural gas rose amid signs that China's economy may have bottomed out and the recovery could pull back supplies from the West. Benchmark gas futures rose 4.6% after falling 14% on Monday. The outlook for Chinese demand is key for Europe as most of the winter is still ahead and a brief cold wave will pass through the region last week. Lower supply from Norway also contributed to Tuesday's increase in prices. Traders will be focused on how quickly China can recover from the COVID restrictions. Gross domestic product grew by 3% last year, well below the 8.4% in 2021, but above economists' forecast. It also surpassed expectations in the last quarter of the year. While full gas supplies are causing some Chinese buyers to consider diverting LNG cargoes, the rapid economic recovery could increase consumption and increase competition for supplies with Europe, especially if it gets colder there too. Other Asian countries such as India and Thailand are also quickly returning to the LNG market to take advantage of lower prices. Bitcoin returns with the rise of meme coins. Bitcoin is gaining momentum in 2023, lifting the cryptocurrency market from the bottom. The token gained 26% in January and jumped 22% in the last week alone, surpassing the $20,000 mark again and posting its best month since October 2021, just before the big market crash. Ether is also up 29% this year, bringing the value of the entire global crypto market to more than $1 trillion, according to CoinGecko. Investors' bets on a rosier macroeconomic picture have led to a surge in risky assets across the board, researchers said. Meanwhile, few cryptocurrency tokens have benefited more than Bonk, which was launched in late December on the Solana blockchain and soared 5,000% by early January. It has since fallen, although it has gained 910% since the start of the year. It is the latest member of the hyper-volatile world of meme coins, cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes and jokes. Furthermore, it is based on the same grinning Shiba Inu dog as Dogecoin, which became famous through Elon Musk's tweets. Other meme tokens are also on the rise, Doge and SHIB up 19% and 27% respectively in 2023.